Hi everyone, and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponers. So I'm here at the ad preview for Kroger for next week. This sale will run October 30th through, let me check the date again, November the 5th of 2019. There are actually some really great deals coming up next week at Kroger. A lot of it is repeat stuff. There are a couple new things. Again, it's pretty much just grocery deals. There's not a lot of there's not really any freebies hardly. One thing new, but however, have no fear. If you didn't see my Kroger video from Wednesday, I actually found 5 freebies. So if you haven't seen that, you need to go watch it now because there are 5 freebies. Those freebies will for sure carry into next week. So go watch that and refresh yourself. Of course, come back Wednesday too because I'll have a whole entire video up with new matchups and everything for Kroger. So let's just dive right in. So first up, we do have buy one, get one free on some pork back ribs right there. And then they are doing this 3 times the fuel points thing. I wouldn't get too excited about that. That's not really that special. If you're buying these things anyways, hey, that's great. But don't buy anything special just because of this deal. $5.97 a pound for T-bone steaks or the raw shrimp. $3.99 a pound for some Simple Truth ground turkey or fresh ground beef, the 93%. It's not bad. $1.77 a pound for fresh asparagus, and then 2 for $3 for Idaho potatoes, onions, which that's pretty good too. We have 2 for $5 for the Kroger brand butter. All right, so 4 for $12 for Coke or 7-Up. It's weird. It usually includes Pepsi, but it doesn't this time. Then $1.19 for the half gallons of milk. That's not good. And then 2 for $5 for Simple Truth plant-based milk. All right, and then here's a really great price on the Pillsbury items. They are 10 for 10, which is a phenomenal price, actually. And then we're going to stack that with our $1 off 3 coupon from 1013 Smart Source. So make those 67 cents a piece, which is an awesome, awesome deal. Now, we do have some 50-cent coupons, but it's on very specific varieties. So you'll have to let me check that out on Wednesday and see which is included. And, of course, I'll let you guys know on Wednesday. Campbell's Soup or Totino's pizzas are $1. Lots of 10 for 10 stuff here. The Starkist tuna, Annie's mac and cheese, and Kroger frozen vegetables. Cliff bars and Chobani. It also says Luna bars, which you do have an Ibotta for. And then the Kroger sour cream cottage cheese or dip. That's good. And then the Minute Maid juice is 10 for 10 as well. You don't have to buy 10. You can just buy 1 for $1. That's how 10 for 10s work. All right, then we do have a Friday, Saturday only sale. They're going to have the private selection ice cream for $2.49. I don't know. That's all right, I guess. This is a deal right here, and I hope you guys printed off the $1 off 2 Quaker coupon. If not, it's still a great price, but I hope you guys printed it. They're 99 cents for the Quaker Captain Crunch or Life cereal. There was a $1 off 2 printables, so you could get this for 49 cents, which is insane. Even if you didn't print it, though, it's still not a bad deal at all. It's not. It's definitely not a bad price. And if you do want the Quaker Chewy bars, we did get a $1 off 2 coupon in the 1020 Smart Source. You could also snag those for only 49 cents, which is a great deal. And then this one's the best. $4.99 for a 3-pound bag of Kroger boneless chicken breast. That's a really great price for the frozen chicken, so good deal. All right, so here's all the 5X items. I'm not going to go through and read these because they're pretty much the same items that were in the sale this week. They're the same items that were in the sale this week. So you should just go watch that video again that I did on Wednesday because I show you every single participating item. Now, if there's something I want to point out, I definitely will do so. But, you can just click pause and read these if you want. So, yeah, we're going to move on to the next page. Yeah, nothing really new here either. I don't think tomorrow's coupons are going to affect any of this. Yeah, nothing. I mean, there are good deals. Like I said, I went over all this in Wednesday's video. It's the same things. So, yeah. Okay, so the mini mega event is running another week, and a lot of it is repeats. However, some of it actually is price increases, which is so annoying. So, the Simple Truth tortilla chips, which are 97 cents this week when you buy 4 participating items, they're raising that up to $1.49 next week. Yeah, that's a lot of money. So you're going to want to go and get them now. if you want those, or through Tuesday. You don't have to go today or anything, obviously, but yeah, keep that in mind. And then they do have $5.99 when you buy the 24 packs of Pepsi, so that's why that wasn't included in the 12 packs. So that's a good deal. They do have Lay's, $1.88 when you buy 3. Now, I would not get the regular Lay's because we get the party size for that all the time for like $2. But the baked, that is a good deal for the baked chips. And then like the Treetop apple juice, they're doing the same thing. They're raising it to $1.49. So yeah, that's annoying, but that's it. Okay, so a couple good things here actually. This is not the best, but if you need these products, it's not bad. So the Rotel and Hunt's tomatoes, they're $1, which that's not a good deal. However, if you buy 2 of them, you get a thing of Kroger canned beans for free. So it's like you're gonna get 3 cans for $2 or 67 cents each, which is good. It's all right. I mean, it's not the best, but if you need these products, it's not bad. And then here they have the McCormick deal. So they are. The McCormick items are buy one, get one free. Now, it's showing the organic ones. I don't know if the regular ones will be included, but the organic ones are a good price. It depends on how it rings up in your area. Some Kroger stores will ring out 50% off. Some will literally ring out full price for the first one, second price for the second one. Or 0 for the second one. Duh. I don't know what I'm doing right now. Like, I'm not thinking clearly, I guess. Anyways, there's $1.50 Blinkies at my Kroger. I've seen other people find them. So if your store is a half price BOGO and you pick up one of them, it's going to be half $4.39. You're going to use your $1.50 off coupon. So essentially, you would end up getting this for, let me give you some numbers real quick. If my dumb phone will cooperate. Yeah, that's what I thought. 69 cents if you get the $4.39 one. So that's really great. And the Fisher's walnuts are $5.99, so half of that will be $2.99, and then you can use a 55-cent coupon from 1020 Smart Source. It'd be a really great price at $2.44. Keep in mind, my area would ring out full price for the first one, second for the or free for the other one, so I would not be able to use a coupon on the free item. But if you're in a half price BOGO, it's the better deal. So, I also have Hebrew National, buy one get one free. And the brown berry bread, buy one get one free. So just lots of good deals, honestly, on that kind of stuff next week. All right, and then here, yeah, nothing. You can pause it if you want to read it. The baby deal is being repeated, so you can keep, if you want to do that baby deal, I did this scenario for Huggies. And I'll try, somebody mentioned to me about Pampers. I'll try to come up with another scenario for those by Wednesday. I forgot to say there were Ibotta rebates for the Huggies diapers. Somebody mentioned that to me on my video on Wednesday. I forgot to put in Ibotta rebates, so you can get it even cheaper. But for the diapers, for the Huggies. All right, and then we had 9 cents for Gerber seasoned chicken leg quarters. That's a great price. We do have other meat items here. Yeah, whatever. I'm not too excited about any of this. And then here we just have some produce. And then Free Friday, it's every first of the month now, that's better than nothing, right? They're going to have a free Idahoan mashed potatoes, the instant potatoes. If you want that, that's not too bad. It's nice, it's free, so even if you don't want it, get it and donate it or whatever. If you use those, even better. So, yeah, that's all I have for now. I hope you guys enjoyed. Go check out my video from Wednesday if you haven't already, because literally you can get a lot of these deals right now. You don't even have to wait till Wednesday. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching.